Hi there. Have you ever tried to paint a strawberry? They're quite challenging, and there's a lot of lessons that you can learn from practicing painting something like this in watercolor. Now, this video is a shortened version of a full tutorial on how to paint this strawberry. So this is just to give you an idea and a quick glimpse into how I paint and how I break down what I paint into lessons to help you to follow along and learn as well and practice your skills. Now, the strawberry is great fun because you can learn all sorts of things such as, how to create that reflection, the details, the light, the shade, building your tonal values, creating depth and texture, adding shadows, mixing complementary colours. There's so much in this, and it's great fun. It gets a bit fiddly, but if you break it down, take it step by step, before you know it, you've got an amazing strawberry in front of you. Now, whether you're a complete beginner or you've dabbled a bit and you'd like to learn something new, then I hope that you find my videos inspiring and make you want to have a go. I've created full tutorials online, which are hosted on Teachable, and the link is in this description. These are designed to walk you through everything you need to know to start making beautiful pictures. I walk you through every tiny detail, explaining how to use your brush, how much water and paint to use, as well as covering lots of different techniques, including tonal values, light and shade, composition, and many other tips and tricks that I've learned over the years on my own painting journey. So why not come and join me on one of my courses? You can build your knowledge and you can gain the confidence to not only follow along with tutorials, but then to go out and create your own paintings from subjects that you choose, which interest you, with your new painting skills. There's lots of videos on YouTube, and it can be a bit overwhelming at times, as well as confusing. So if you like the idea of a structured course that's been planned out for you, then why not try my course with the free 7-day trial? You can access all the lessons, have a look round, and see what takes your fancy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this quick glimpse into my world of watercolour. Thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the subscribe and like buttons to help me to reach more lovely people. As you can see, I'm quite a new channel, and I would really appreciate you joining me. And that way you'll also be notified when I release a new video. Now, I'm planning to do this quite often, so I'm hoping to do a new one every week. So I'm going to be very busy painting. Just look at that strawberry. It's amazing how it builds up and it just suddenly leaps off the page. I never get tired of doing this. I hope to see you in another video. Thanks ever so much and have a great day.